In front of me is LENOVO TAB P11, and let me show you how to perform a soft reset of this device. So actually it's super quick and easy operation. All you need to do is to tap on power key, it's right here, and hold it, and still hold it until your device is shut down. It's perfect if your device is freeze or something, and that's it. Now just keep holding and your device will start from scratch, so just give it a couple of seconds. And that's it. As you can see now, you can use your device easily, so it is no longer freezed. And this is it. That would be all. This is how you can perform a soft reset. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.